Hi, hello, my dear sweet friends. Welcome to all of you. This is Vinay before you. Finally, I appeared before you on the screen after a long time, and sorry for that because today I got an idea to make a video or prepare a video, just a little one, just for you people about the speaking English. Okay, maximum people are struggling in the speaking English. How to learn it? The only secret to learn speaking English means whenever we say I want to speak English, then we have to means we have to put effort to learn English, means speaking English. That will only come through the secret to learn speaking is just through the practice. So it requires a lot of practice. So it needs practice. You have to do practice, and you have to give enough ample of time to sharpen your speaking English. Okay. Okay, whether you speak in with fluence sorry with fluency or with fluent language or not, that doesn't matter. You have to learn speaking English. Okay, after all, you have to learn speaking English only. So at least you have to practice, or at least you have to do mirror practice, then you will learn definitely the speaking English. Okay. It requires, or it takes particular time that you have to give to it. Okay, you have to invest on speaking English. Okay, you have to practice it. It requires a lot of practice. Okay, after that you will see the fruitful changes in your speaking. Okay, in your speaking English. So until unless you practice yourselves, until unless you give time to practice speaking English, then you till that you won't learn. Okay, till that you can't learn it. So if you want to learn speaking English, then you have to go on practicing, go on speaking with others, then only you will get it. Okay, then only you will get success on it. So one thing I would like to clarify before you, that vocabularies and the phrases and the idioms in these areas, no any language expert can means can get victory over it, because English speaking, or this language is not static. That means there are so many similar words to a single word in English language, like in other languages as well. But in English, it's very difficult to us to understand or to know the meaning of a single word even. But how can we learn? Okay, how come we learn, or how come we know the similar words of that? So, for example, I will give you, in Hindu newspaper they used, instead of, or in the replacement of the word search, they used probe, scrutiny. Okay, probe, scrutiny, explore. These all are the alternates, or I can say that these all are the similar words or synonyms of the word search. So instead of that, these three words are there to use in replacement of search. So what you can say now? What you will say now? So if you have, there is that only I am saying, that only I am emphasizing before you, that one thing I would like to clarify. Before also I had said, so now also I am going to say that you should not worry about the vocabularies and phrases, idioms, probes in the English language, because no one can gain it. Okay, no one can gain it earlier. Okay, in very limited time, in very short time, because it requires time. You can learn definitely the grammar, because the grammar is static. Okay, the grammar is static, but the vocabularies, the phrases, the idioms, the proverbs, these all are the dynamic little. Okay, so you can learn them as well, but it requires more time. It demands little enough time to learn it. So this is all about the speaking English. So one thing that I would like to clarify before you, that means I would like to just give you the last statement about, or the secret or the tip you can receive this as the what I can say, step. Okay, step. The step of speaking English is the phase. Only gradually you can learn. Phase by phase you will improve or you will get your fluency as well. But it requires more time. Not like yeah, if I compare to the vocabularies, the learning vocabularies or phrases or idioms, what I told. But if I compare to these, then speaking English you can learn easily. Okay, in very short time, means in a particular time. but in learning the vocabularies, that means the secret to learn vocabularies or the phrases or the idioms, that you have to learn them and you have to use them deliberately. You have to insert in your speaking. Okay, then only you will get the what I can say, means thorough understanding on them. Okay, then only you will store in your mind, okay, in your brain, what I can say. So this is all about, means only the speaking can only be gained by the practice only. It requires a lot of practice. You have to give amount of time to it, then only you will get the fluency and whatever you call, you will get that. Okay, thank you so much. This is all about, and thank you very much. So see you soon in my next upcoming video. Thank you very much.